Hi, this is my simple gradebook application. Um, it, or I guess it's a program. I learned how the sprint to a program in Java. To start off, I use these two libraries, Scanner and HashMap. Scanner helps me or helps to read the input from the user, and the HashMap is like a dictionary if you know how to program in Python. So you have an ID in this case for a student, and then I used my gradebook class to keep track of the students' information. So their name, subject, and grade. So there's the menu here. This um, calls different functions depending on what the user decides in the menu. This function is to add a profile with ID, the name, the subject, and the grade of each student. Um, does display contents displays all of the contents of the grade book, and the average grade function calculates the average grade of the student. So it'll take a student's information um, and what grade they have in that subject, and then you'll get another grade, and then they'll average them out. So we're running it here. So let's add a student. We'll say their ID is 21. I'll put myself in. So let's say math, and I have, let's say, a 95. Um, and then if you do two, you can display the grade book. Three, I could add another grade. My ID was 21. I can say, I didn't do too well on this last test, so I got a 75. And so then it'll say the updated grade for Cecily is 85 in math. So let's add another student. Let's do 23. We'll say Bob uh, reading, and he has 86. So if you display, it shows both Cecily, me, and Bob and our grades and and our IDs. So yeah, it's not super complicated. I this is just basic me learning how um Java works, learning the syntax and applying what I've learned in previous programming classes. So, yeah, this was super fulfilling, and now I know more about Java. Thank you for watching.